Working out has always been a part of my routine. Gotta stay in shape, right? But I've noticed more and more I haven't been getting the same results. I can't stand to think that I'm losing muscle mass I've worked so hard to gain. There's gotta be an answer. Why is this happening?
Well, over time, all of us experience declines in our muscle structure. But when keeping a healthy lifestyle and working out is not enough, you can do more. Try adding our Wellness Code Muscle Strength and Restore formula to your daily routine. This combination of HMB and vitamin D3 helps maintain muscle mass, builds strength, and supports healthy, sustained muscle function.
I love that Wellness Code comes in a powder. I just mix it with my Life Extension protein shake. But actually, you could mix it with anything. It's unflavored, so it couldn't be easier.
Exactly, it is easy, and when you combine this with resistance training, this powerful formula is an excellent addition to your health regimen designed to promote muscle growth.
And at the recommendation of a Life Extension wellness specialist, I've added resistance training to my routine too. I've already seen some results. Feels pretty good.